In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an affiliate shop on Squarespace. No e-commerce needed. Start by opening your Squarespace site and navigating to the page where you want your affiliate shop to live. Enter editing mode by selecting Edit. This lets you modify the page layout and content directly on the canvas. Next, add a new content area by choosing Add Block, then pick the text block. We're using a text block because it gives you complete control over product descriptions and links without enabling the full e-commerce suite. In the text area, type the product name and a short benefit-focused line. Keep it scannable. 1 to 2 sentences is perfect. Now, create your call to action. Type something like "click here to learn more," then highlight it. In the formatting toolbar, click the link icon. When the link options appear, choose Custom. Paste your affiliate URL exactly as provided by your partner program so your tracking works correctly. If you see an option to open in a new tab, toggle it on to keep visitors on your site while they browse partner pages. Apply emphasis or button styling from the text toolbar so your call to action stands out. Depending on your template, you can also adjust alignment and spacing in the block settings to make each item easy to read. Repeat that same process for each product. Add or edit a text block, write a quick headline and blurb, highlight your call to action, select the link, choose Custom, and paste the correct affiliate URL. Update the call to action wording where helpful, and keep your layout consistent so the page feels like a cohesive shop. If the design panel offers options like background accents or separators, use them lightly to group related items. When you're happy with your layout and links, click Save at the top to publish your changes. Then exit the editor to view the live page. Test everything by clicking each "Click here to learn more" link on the live site. Confirm that every link opens in a new tab and goes to the correct product with your tracking intact. A few quick tips as you refine. Consider adding a clear affiliate disclosure near the top of the page. Keep link text accessible and descriptive, and preview on mobile to make sure spacing and buttons are easy to tap. With this simple approach, you've built a clean, flexible affiliate shop in Squarespace without turning on e-commerce. Fast to set up, easy to manage, and ready to scale as you add more products.